Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Here we have the World Paracord 550. The total length and dimension you have in the description of this video down below, so go ahead and check it out. If you want to make this awesome paracord bracelet, the tutorial you can find in the top right corner in the information cards, as with a bunch of other tutorials. We're gonna use the Paracord JIG and the buckles. So I'm gonna here take the ends of a cord and I'm gonna pull it until this end here, and from the top side we're gonna insert it into the buckle like so, and then we're gonna put and pull those two cords through this loop in the middle. I'm gonna zoom so you can clearly see, and that way we're gonna create the basic cow's hitches. So now we're gonna pull up, and from here we're gonna simply insert the cords from the top into the buckle. And then from the top also around, so we're gonna take this end, make it on top of the cord strand, around and through the loop on the right side. Pull it, tight it up, and we're gonna continue. So now we're gonna take the left and we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet core, those two strands, and to the left side. And from the left we're gonna take the left cord strand and we're gonna make it also on top and to the side. Now from here we're gonna simply, with the right strand, we're gonna make it around this first strand, and from the back side we're gonna pull it through the middle like so, as you can clearly see. Maybe I can zoom a bit. Now from here enter the center from the top, and then through the loop to the side. The same thing on the left strand, so from the back through the middle, and then from the top also in the middle of the bracelet core and through the loop on the left side. Now pull it to make it tight, cinch it well up, and continue. As we set across those two cords, make it around from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the middle to the side and through the loop on the right side, like so. Now the same on the left, around from the back through the middle, and then from the top to the back, but through the middle and to the loop, so through the loop on the left side. Pull it, make it tight, and continue. So here, as you can see, we reached the end of today's project. Now we're gonna secure these two working ends into the buckle. So we're gonna make this on top and from the top into the buckle, and the left side also from the top into the buckle. Now we're gonna pull it and into the middle here, into the center of the cords. Now pull it to secure it, and from the left side also. So from the top into the middle, now we're going to cut off the excess of cord. So here we are, our project is finished. I hope that you like this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.